when someone is having problems with sleep. We call it sleep disturbance. Some have problem in initiating the sleep, some have problem in maintaining the sleep, and somehow have this problem of waking up very early in the morning. Now, how can we help someone with their sleep, or we can help this insomnia without medications? So the answer for that is sleep hygiene. It's not very easy to maintain a sleep hygiene, but yes, if you follow the sleep hygiene, one can have a good mental health. It's just like having a good personal hygiene for our physical health. It's important to have a good sleep hygiene for our mental health. So what are the important points which we need to follow in sleep hygiene? First of all, we have to cut short our long afternoon naps. This long afternoon naps somewhat eat up the sleep time in the night, and a person can have difficulty falling asleep. Secondly, one must have a fixed sleeping time and a waking up time. So that time has to be decided, and you have to sleep every day, every night at that time, and wake up in the morning every day at that time. Some variations are acceptable, but try to keep it regular. Third thing, try and avoid any kind of caffeinated products after 5 p.m. like tea, coffee, or any drinks which are having caffeine in that. Fourth, try and do a good exercise in the evening so that your body is tired and you can fall asleep very soon. You will have a good night's sleep with a tired body. Fifth, try and avoid a very heavy dinner or a lot of fluids at night, because a heavy dinner will give you bloating and you will have difficulty in falling asleep. You will have a lot of restlessness in your sleep, and a lot of drinks or a lot of fluids will try and wake you up for urination multiple times, and that's going to break your sleep again, and you will not have a continuous good sleep. You will get up tired. Another point would be that when you're going to sleep, try and see to it that your room is dark, it's noise free, there is no noise at all around you, and when you go to sleep, you just focus on your sleep and not the ticking clock which gets you frustrated and gets you irritated and you have a difficulty falling asleep. Try and avoid watching any thrillers. Try and avoid watching any kind of movies which are thrillers. Okay, having any web series which nowadays we are watching a lot of web series which have got any kind of horror or thriller act in it, because that can keep your brain active. Okay, which again which will make you have difficulty in falling asleep. Try and avoid thinking about any stressful situation of your day or your future. Try and keep it happy. Have all positive thoughts when you're going to sleep, so that your mind is relaxed. You don't feel overwhelmed, you don't feel active, you don't feel activated and alert, and you are relaxed in your mind, because relaxation is one thing which gives someone a good sleep.